Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here, and today I was gonna make a video of me replacing that 8-tooth gear in this gearbox of my Rockin Raver because the leaning mech, there's a split gear in the leaning mech. Well, when I opened up the gearbox, I noticed that not only is that gear split, but crap. Wait a minute. This has a missing tooth. I don't know if you can notice that. Let me try and focus in. Yeah, this gear has a missing tooth. It is a 24 by 10 gear, and this is irreplaceable. I couldn't find it anywhere. I couldn't find it on eBay, couldn't find it on Amazon, I couldn't even find it on Legendary Innovations, which I wouldn't really expect Legendary Innovations to have this kind of a gear. I wouldn't expect them to have that much stuff since that company is kind of new. But yeah, not only is that, but that's not, those aren't the only problems that I have with this. There's a wire that is off of the motor. As you can see right there, there's a wire off of the motor. I'll just have to use some solder. There, you can see it better now. That wire is off. And also, the speaker is very close to meeting its maker. I don't really want to show you it right now because I'll have to put all this stuff back together. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together, and then I'll show you what it sounds like. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what this thing sounds like now. Anyways, yeah, you get the point. The speaker's about to meet its maker any day now. And so, yeah, that's everything that I need to work on. I'm going to need to solder this wire back on to the motor over here, and I'll need to replace the 8-tooth gear, which I can easily do. And then I'll need to replace the speaker. I'm not really sure where I could find this kind of a speaker, maybe eBay, or if there's like a store that I should be looking for that carries this kind of stuff, let me know. But yeah, that's everything that's going on with my Rockin Raver, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.